constantly getting pallets and pallets of Ream Tech's electric water heaters because they literally fly off our shelves. That's because Miami Water Heater has the lowest price and best warranty in the industry. Go ahead and check out our competitors and you'll see we're the lowest. We ship new, open box, and refurbished units to all of the United States, and we ship them fast for you. And if you have any questions, we're here to answer any and all of your questions. Sizing, installation, anything you want. Just give us a call. Check them out at MiamiWaterHeater.com. You can use coupon code 75anniversary for an even better deal.